viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Rekank or bar digit in multiplication and division.
Multiplication of two positive digits or two negative digits is always positive. That is, minus into minus is equal to plus.
Example,
or plus into plus is equal to plus.
Negative into negative is equal to positive and positive into positive is equal to positive. First one. Minus 4 or negative 4 into negative 2 is equal to bar 4 into bar 2. In Vedic math we are writing like this. That is plus bar negative into negative is positive and multiply the digits. 4 into 2 is 8. This is the result. Second example. Now both the digits are negative. Now both the digits are positive. Positive 4 into positive 2 is equal to plus into plus or positive into positive is positive. 4 2s are 8. One more example. Negative 2 into negative 3 is equal to, here again negative into negative, that we are writing bar 2 into bar 3 is equal to, first multiply the symbol, after that multiply the digits. That is negative into negative, positive, 2 3s are 6. Second point.
Multiplication of one positive digit by one negative digit or vice versa is always negative.
Example. Negative into positive is equal to negative, or positive into negative is equal to negative. Example. Minus or negative 3 into positive 2 is equal to, first multiply the symbol, that is negative into positive is equal to negative. Now multiply the digits, 3 2s are 6. And similarly, first number is now negative positive 2 into negative 3 is equal to, multiply the symbol, plus into minus is equal to minus 2 3s are 6. So the result here, minus or negative 6, we are writing like this, bar 6.
Division of two positive digits or two negative digits is always positive. That is, negative by negative is equal to plus, positive, or positive by positive is equal to positive.
Negative divided by negative is equal to positive, and similarly positive divided by positive is equal to positive. When the symbols are equal, the result is positive. When the symbols are different or unequal, the result is negative. Now here, bar 6 divided by bar 3 is equal to, first divide the symbol, negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Now 6 divided by 3, that is 6 divided by 3 is 2, so the result is plus 2. Similarly, even in positive symbol, plus 6 divided by plus 3 is equal to, plus divided by plus is plus, 6 divided by 3 is 2. The result is plus 2.
Division of one positive digit by one negative digit or vice versa is always negative.
Negative divided by positive is equal to negative, and positive divided by negative is equal to negative. Here symbols are different, so the result is negative. Bar or negative 6 divided by positive 3 is equal to, first divide the symbol, that is negative by positive is negative. 6 divided by 3, that is equal to negative 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, that is negative 2 is equal to bar 2. Plus 6 divided by minus 3. It means positive 6 divided by negative 3 is equal to, plus divided by minus is equal to minus or negative, and 6 by 3 is 2. So the result is bar 2.
Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.